Hey friends, it's me, Miss Lee, and today we're going to talk about using markers. Let's get started. So first things first, when we use markers, we have to remember some very important steps. So first, we open the marker and we color with this part, but we also don't want to forget about the cap of the marker. We don't want to lose this because we need to put it back on when we're done. Woo. So to make sure we don't lose it, we're going to put it back on top. We're going to put it on top of the marker, and it's like its cap. We put its cap on. It has a little hat, and I'm going to draw with marker and color. And I love hearts, so I colored a heart. And I'm done with this marker, so what I do is I take the cap off and I put it back on. But wait, that's not it. I need to make sure I hear it click. So let's listen. Nice. Okay, now I know my marker is safe. It's safe because it's not going to dry out and I can use it over and over again. Then I put my marker back with my other markers, and I pick another color and I put the cap back on it because I'm using it, and I color. And if I'm done with the pink marker, put the cap on and listen for the click. And put it back with my other markers, and I keep doing that until I'm done coloring. That is how you keep your markers all safe. You want to remember to hear that click when you use those markers, because if you don't hear the click, your marker's going to dry out and then we're going to have no more markers to color with. So when you use a marker, you can close it with your thumb like I do. You hear the click, or you can close it with two hands. See, both ways I heard a click, and I know my marker is safe. Awesome sauce. Now you show me how you can use a marker safely. Bye, friends.